Hello. It's Friday. Um, Spoilers, is actually a pretty good Friday. Um, so let's go over what happened today. So took trades across 5 accounts today in Top Step, Tradeify, Tick Trader, and Take Profit and Funded Futures at work. I didn't activate my Bull and Ox accounts yet just because I didn't think I had the stamina to trade um, all the accounts, but uh, let's go over how we did today. All right, so took one trade on my one Top Step account. Probably could have been the trade of the day. I don't know why I cut it so early. Um, but yeah, let's go over it, right? So Top Step, I had one trade. You can see my entry was right here around 770. Um, right here, and I exited on the same candle at 66 and a half, right around here. So, what was I looking at, right? Pre-market, I actually do need my actual chart for this. We had a level right here. We had a what I call an Ikitai candle, Ekitai, came up, touched our level, and then rejected it. And then later on, we had the same thing happen again right here. Another volume candle that instantly, or actually, I think this one finally got engulfed. So I was looking to play off of this candle. Price resumed right here. And typically, when I see this happen, where like a level is hit pre-market, Ikitai candle pre-market, uh, engulfed the Ikitai candle, and then we retrace into that zone and reject again, is usually a good indicator that the market is going to open and have a little dump. All right, so we claimed right here at market open. The second we came down, took this short. I was aiming for like 20 something points and then I cut it early just because I wanted to trade other accounts with the same setup and I just didn't know how I felt about managing two. Long story short, I probably should have just managed one at a time, taken my time. I ended up taking this short right here for, I mean, base hit 10 points, which isn't bad. It's, how my account's gonna start and I'm not even gonna, you know, worry that market came down 100, 200 points. And I damn near shorted the top, right? But that's basically what I was looking for here. And then as we were on our way down, I was pretty much just looking for the same shorts. And you can see I got damn near top ticked right here on 3 DCA or one entry, 2 DCAs. And the savior for this trade was the fact that ES looked like it was gonna continue lower. All right, look at that. It's kind of flagging. I don't really have flags as part of my, but ES is not also bouncing like NQ here, right? NQ had a, holy shit, that was a 30-point jump, and ES barely moved at all. It was like 2 to 3 points. So I was taking shorts, waiting, and it stopped me out right here. As it came down, I was like, all right, I can't mess this up, or I can't miss this because ES was coming down, breaking the flag. Took a short, got a little bit of drawdown back. As we closed below it, this little like level like this, took another short right here, took another short. Basically, every time a candle was opening up at the top wick, I took a short for around 10 points, um, and clawed my way back, right? The last one, this is the only one I didn't take, just like, okay, I shouldn't be going crazy on this. And ended up, as the next candle opened, took a short, came down around 9 points and 8 points, and I was like, all right, I'm at my base hit for the day. No need to get greedy. And that's how I finished. This could have been really bad. Managing trade wise this is typically something I'm trying to avoid. Like I could have just held this one entry from 46 all the way down and I would have been chilling. But yeah, we got a little close today. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my Tradeify accounts. Just want to make sure there's no orders left on the chart, none. And yeah, let me hop on my tick and we'll go over that trade. But I just gotta pause it first. Basically took the same setup right here as this was breaking. boom, took the next candle at open. This kind of broke through again. Right here, ES is flagging. So once we broke through, I was like, okay, next candle, if we get a top wick, I'll enter. Boom, made a top wick, took a short. Definitely could have held this one to full TP 121. But I think full TP I had it at 100. It was pretty much roughly 20 points. But as it came down, it started halting, and I was like, pretty sure it will, but I'm not gonna be crazy for a full TP and just take my base hit. So we got out at around 13 and a quarter. And it would have hit full TP if I waited another probably like 10 seconds, but it's fine. As long as, I'm clawing my way back slowly, as long as, I'm not trying to have grand slam days, I'm trying to hit base hit days on the trades that I take every single day. This is one of them. Alright, and we're pretty much just following the market structure that ES is printing at the same time, and this is why I have ES on the chart. Another thing to note here for, I guess, confluence about this trade was we actually closed below this level that I've had here, that I've been showing on Discord every single day this week pretty much. We closed below it, top wicked above it, and then basically as we came back down below it, boom, hit our, drove in the direction. Then it chopped around for a little, news came out. A lot of stuff, a lot of stuff. And then, yeah, last is going to be my take profit accounts, which, again, another second to switch over. Alright, so here's my take profit. I knew there was news right here, it was yellow folder news, so I didn't really want to trade it on my pro account, so I just kind of got out, because I was like, I'm not going to let this candle come back on me. And I think my take profit was literally one tick below this for the full like 10 points ish. So 2099, little below or 99, and then yeah, it was literally, I think literally one tick, and would have got filled the full 10 points, but sometimes all it is one tick to get yeah. And then on these evals, I was taking shorts, basically right here, one contract right here, anticipating to go lower, and it did. These evals, I'm just gonna work them slow. I don't want to have like days where I just like regret trading, period. So I've been like trying to be okay with smaller wins, not really smaller wins, but like base hit wins, just because I don't need to have a grand slam every day. Like, yes, I could have taken a short right here and held it down 200 points and I'd be going crazy, but I probably would have gotten out at the pullback here, fearing reversal, or had stops to break even or whatever. And geez, she just keep going. But yeah, I don't need to do that. And that's one of the things I need to remind myself, that I don't always need to take that one last trade and, maybe ruin my weekend, ruin my whatever. And that was pretty much the goal of today, was not to ruin my weekend with stupid trading, and I almost did. I'm not gonna lie, I almost did. But yeah. And the last one is gonna be my Fund X. So let me just open up Rhythmic real quick. Lastly, here's my funded futures network. Basically all I did here at this point, these were the last accounts that I traded. I think it was after this news candle right around here, where I just saw it chopping below the orb, came up, and then just took a short. Actually, no, I think this is the long bounce. So, one contract down here. I think I had a level literally right here, and it closed right below it. Yeah. Closed just supporting it, came down for a bottom wick immediately, and I was like, oh, we're right at a support level. With this flips, I'll take the long, and then I just closed it early. So, yeah, probably one of the better days that I've had in a long time, especially with every other account. Slight hiccup on the tradeifys, and I'm gonna try to avoid those in the future, just because it's a little fucking scary. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah. that's it for me today. I hope you guys are trading well. Hope you guys have had a good trading day. Um, Stay safe out there. Remember all the things that make us great traders. It's easy to say, um, but sometimes harder to follow. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next week. Peace.